Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Bourbon RV in Bourbon, Missouri to look at a 2022 Heartland ElkRidge 37RED. Here we go. So the sale price on this RV is $79,995. The contact information for Bourbon RV as well as their phone number, website are listed below. There you can see the ElkRidge badging across the nose of the fifth wheel, as well as the graphics. Really like the graphics on this, the black and gray against the contrasting against the white. Plenty of heated basement storage. You can see the three slides on the off door side, as well as a single slide here. Here you see the 7,000-pound axles with the 16-inch Type F tires. As we step up inside the RV, the length is 40 feet 6. Exterior height is 13.4. Width is 8 feet. Take a look at this kitchen. Really a unique design or a floor plan on this one. I haven't seen one with a bench or a booth style seating. There are two additional chairs. They're in the master bedroom under the bed. I'll show you those in a little bit, but haven't seen a floor plan like this. Nice three-person couch on this side and a slide out, as well as the fireplace, 50-inch flat screen TV, shelving above the TV, as well as cabinets. Look how deep these cabinets are. Plenty deep for games, pillows, bedding, and then the blackout shades really make a difference. Cut out the light, so if you're watching a movie, even if you're watching a movie in the evening, you can still take those down because other lights or other campers with their lights on. There you see the 50-inch screen, under cabinets here, as well as the really nice size fireplace. So the dry weight on this coach is 12,545 pounds. There you see a vented ceiling vent, another three-person couch, and then the theater seating with a two-person theater seating, recliners, and then plenty of storage cabinets and drawers in the kitchen. You'll really like this. As far as the tanks are concerned, fresh gray and black are 65, 45, and 45. Plenty deep cabinets here for your cereal, your pancake mix, all the important stuff when you go out camping. 3-burner cooktop, as you see here, with a glass cover that extends your counter surface for when you come in and unpack your groceries. Nice size oven, real nice size oven. Plenty of room for a roast, a turkey, or a ham. Real large microwave, residential style or size microwave oven. And then above cabinet storage for your pizza pans and your cookie sheets. You definitely need cookie sheets when you go camping to get the RV smelling like cookies on the weekend when you're out camping. You see the fully extendable drawers. And then on the island, we have, this is the booth, seating booth. And then, as I mentioned, it's a solid surface countertop there, as well as the two chairs are in the underneath the master bedroom bed. So we have the French door refrigerator. It's a residential style refrigerator with two doors on the top, two drawers on the bottom for the freezer. And it's a 13 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. Here's one of the drawers, and then there's an additional drawer down below. And as far as your AC units, you have two AC units in this rig, a 15,000 BTU and a 13.5 BTU. Again, deep cabinets, as well as your cabinets behind the or below the planning center / sink area. So we have a farmer's sink on this, and this is just inside the door. Love the subway tiles. And then the pull-out sprayer on the swan neck sink or faucet. Nice deep farmer sink with the drip dry rack. Really like the glass fronts on these cabinets above with the grate appearance in the cabinet or in the glass. Fully extendable drawers with ball bearing rollers, as you can see there. And this is just inside the door, so you can use it as a planning center or just to drop your stuff when you first walk in the door. Your control panel for your slides, your LED lighting. Again, the awning outside has LED lighting as we step up into the second floor, and we also take a step into the bathroom. Nice skylight in the shower, and then plenty of storage, real deep cubbies here for linens and rolled up towels. You also have your hooks to hang a towel or hang your clothing when you hop in the shower. You can see the skylight in the shower to give you additional height for your shower. Under cabinet storage, your PEX tubing for your hot and cold water, as well as a nice deep medicine cabinet, mirrored medicine cabinet, and it goes behind that wood facade, or fascia I should say, as we step into the master bedroom. So this is a king-size bed, and it has under bed storage. We'll show you that in a moment as we close the door to the bathroom, and then take a look around the master bedroom, or the bedroom. We have nice shelving on both sides of the headboard, as well as nice windows to get a nice cross ventilation going. You've got room to put your cell phones or CPAP machine. Here's your dresser, as well as fully extendable drawers, as well as additional windows to get the cross ventilation going. The closet is set up for a stackable washer and dryer, as you can see here. So it's plumbed and wired, LED lighting, as well as your clothing rod to hang up clothes. So if you don't use the stackable, you've got plenty of room in there. If you do use the stackable, then you still have this section over here. You have a shelf as well as a clothing rod to hang up your clothes. Plenty of room in there for sweaters, sweatshirts. Here's the underbed. And it's a kind of hard to get to, and it's somewhat heavy. It's hard to do all this when you're holding a camera and shooting video, trying not to jostle the camera around. There's the two additional chairs that I mentioned for the kitchen. So you have that booth with the booth seating, and then you have these two chairs that you can snuggle up to the table. And then we'll close this down, try not to slam it. So what do you think of this floor plan? What do you think about having the booth set up in the kitchen? I haven't seen that set up in a kitchen before, as well as this floor plan. Rather unique. What are your thoughts? Leave a comment below. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe on your way out. So what did you think of the 37 Red? Pretty nice RV. Thanks again for watching. Hit the thumbs up button below. Leave us a comment. And naturally subscribe on your way out. Thanks again.